Do you fall in the apple rectangle body shape? Have you been trying to snatch that waist? Today I'm going to give you ultimate guide, some few pieces which can help you snatch your waist effortlessly. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'll be giving you ideas, outfit ideas that you can use to snatch your waist effortlessly. If you are interested in this kind of video, keep on watching. As we all know, an hourglass body shape is that perfect body shape. An hourglass body shape simply means your upper body and your lower body have almost the same dimension and there is a clear definition on the waist. And if you fall under other body shapes like a rectangle and an apple body shape, you know the main goal is to define the waist. You want to use pieces that are going to help define your waist. And on today's video, I'm going to give you those pieces that can help you snatch that waist effortlessly. And now let's begin with the first one. The first piece we have on our list is high waist everything. This high waist everything includes high waist pants, high waist skirt, high waist shorts. Everything basically should be high waisted. High waisted helps to create that illusion of a snatch waist. It helps to create an illusion of curves on your waist and brings out your hips automatically. So you want to opt for high waist everything. High waist will lift up your hips and hide your waist basically. So you want to opt for high waist everything. We are going to move to the next one. The next outfit ideas I'll be giving you today is bird. Birds are that essential piece in our wardrobe that you always want to have. So if you're trying to snatch your waist, you want to include birds into your outfit. Birds such as statement birds, stick birds will help snatch your waist. It will help to create an illusion of curves down there. So you want to opt in for birds. And now we are going to move to the next one. The next piece we have on our list are ruche dresses. Ruche dresses on their own, they create a snatch waist. Once you see anyone with a ruche dress, you notice automatically the belly it's like tucked inside and there is a definition on the waist. So you always want to opt for a ruche dress, especially if you are a plus size. This is perfect for plus size body type. We are going to move to the next one. The next one are pellum tops. Pellum tops, I cannot so much overemphasize pellum tops on this channel. I've made videos on how to dress different body size, and most of the body size pellum tops are always included. Pellum tops help to create an illusion of curves on your waist and draws the attention upward. So if you're styling a pellum top or you are wearing a pellum top, you will notice there is somehow a definition on your waist, and that is what you want. And your tummy will be tucked automatically because of the flares that are on the pellum top. top. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, do not forget to like, comment, leave in the comment section below which other outfit idea will you include on this list. So that is it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.